In a town surrounded by mountains, people from many different backgrounds lived. Some were farmers, some were artists, and others were traders. They all spoke different languages, followed different customs, and ate different foods. One year, the town decided to celebrate a big festival, but there was a problem. No one could agree on what the festival should be. The farmers wanted a harvest celebration, the artists wanted a music festival, and the traders wanted a market fair. Everyone argued and thought their idea was the best. Then, an old woman named Mira spoke up. She said, "Instead of choosing just one idea, why don't we combine them all? Let's celebrate the harvest, create beautiful art, and have a market where everyone can share what makes them special." At first, the people were unsure, but soon they began working together. The farmers brought fresh fruits and vegetables, the artists painted colorful banners and decorated the streets, and the traders set up stalls to share goods from all over the world. On the day of the festival, the streets were full of music, laughter, and delicious smells. People from different backgrounds ate together, danced together, and celebrated each other's uniqueness. By the end of the day, everyone realized that the town was stronger and happier because they embraced their differences. The festival was a huge success, and from that day, the people celebrated not just their harvest, but their unity and diversity.